Feeling burned out? Ask yourself, why did you start? Really, your family, your dreams, your future self? If that hits deep, quitting isn't an option. Write it down somewhere you can't ignore. Lock screen, mirror, laptop. Make it impossible to forget. Overwhelmed? Don't wait for motivation. Shrink the mountain. One call, one paragraph, one rep. Small steps trigger momentum. Once you start, the rest flows. Most people quit because they ignore the wins along the way. Reward progress. Small wins feel good, and your brain will chase that feeling. Finish a tough project, treat yourself. Hit a goal, celebrate. This is how you keep going. Every champion hits the I want to quit moment. Pain is temporary. Regret lasts forever. Struggle means growth. Champions didn't stop. 6 months from now, you'll thank yourself for pushing through today. So next time motivation disappears, don't panic. Move first. Reconnect to your why. Shrink the task. Reward the grind. And remember, you're not falling behind. You're building calluses. Real success isn't built on motivation. It's built on the days you did it anyway.